Let's go. Ooh, why was that loose? That's not good. Good God. Oh, that's nice. From what I saw, I'm gonna cut it right here. I'm gonna twist it about 45 degrees counterclockwise. So what's going on? This tube is going up that way. I need to twist it so it's going up like that. Alright, so I've got the exhaust pretty much done. Got to do the wastegate dump. So that's what I'm going to be working on next. So it's going to go from here and down and connect right into that bin. So I'll probably just go straight into it, cut the hole in there, weld it together, and that should be done. Now, I'm working on the fuel pump. So I've got to take, this is a RS4 fuel pump. So pretty much just kind of take the top hat off the OEM one. Splice the wires and then do a couple more things and that should be done. Yeah, so what I gotta do now, I'm gonna vacuum out all this stuff. I'll go up front and get all the pressure out and then take that out and then retrofit the new one. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. This one's kind of weird. It's like you can just pull that out. This one you can't. I don't know if I'll need to keep it that way or what, but that's got a 4-pin. That one has a 5-pin. So I'll probably just take a couple pictures, see what's what, and then go from there. Okay, so after looking and doing research, this is the old pump bottom. What I'm doing is I'm going to cut the wires and then do butt connectors on them. But to get this line off, what I did was just use the razor knife, cut it, pulled it off. Did the same thing over here, except I left, you know, up to about ½ inch from where it ends on the on the rib part. So you still have that, you still have enough to get it off. So pretty much what I did was just cut it up to about right here, and then I was able to pull it off. So do that. You don't need any of this. I'm gonna do positive to positive, negative to negative, and then I gotta figure out how to wire up the float switch because I've never done that before. All right, now that I know that I'm stupid, you reuse the old float switch. So you just take it out of this clamp. You don't even have to cut and splice like I did, but I did it because I'm dumb. But you'll just drop it straight in. Bada bing, bada boom. You will have to either solder or splice the power and ground wire, but other than that, everything will connect back up. Put the lines back in and we'll be good to go.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna